Proper oral hygiene is essential for maintaining a healthy smile. To achieve better oral health, follow these simple steps when brushing and flossing your teeth. First and foremost, select a soft bristled toothbrush and replace it every 3 months. Angle the brush at 45 degrees to your gums, ensuring the bristles reach both your teeth and gums. Brush all surfaces of your teeth for 2 minutes, taking care to be thorough but gentle. Don't forget to clean your tongue. Use a tongue scraper or your toothbrush with gentle strokes to remove bacteria and freshen your breath. When it comes to flossing, choose a dental floss or interdental cleaner that suits your preference. Gently slide the floss between your teeth and curve it into a C shape, gently touching the tooth surface and gum line to dislodge any trapped food particles or plaque. Repeat for each tooth, including the back teeth. Remember, flossing should be done daily to prevent gum disease and tooth decay. Lastly, rinse your mouth with water or mouthwash to remove any remaining debris and bacteria. By following these steps, you can properly maintain your oral health, reduce the risk of gum disease, cavities, and bad breath. Don't neglect your oral hygiene. A healthy smile starts with proper brushing and flossing techniques.